This is another question from Singapore. It involves fractions and it's got some ratios associated with it as well. So let's read this one. Mrs. Chen bought $36 on a blouse, spent $36 on a blouse, and three-quarter of her remaining money on a dress. Then she had 1/6 of her money left. How much did Mrs. Chen have at first? So once again, we've got to figure out representations here. What represents what? So we know roughly along the lines of, let's say, 5/6, is already been spent, and 1/6 is the remainder. Now, from what it says, Mrs. Chen spent $36 on a blouse and three-quarter of her remaining money on a dress. Now we also know that this actually equals to, let's change color for easier representation, $36 plus $36, excuse my handwriting, plus three-quarter. That's basically what 5/6 represents. Are we here? Because this is basically the key. You get this far, you pretty much have solved this problem already. So now what we have to do is we've got to figure out what $36 is represented by, right? So what we can do is if we take 5/6 and minus three-quarters, you will know what $36 is represented, what fraction represents $36. So once again, for easy calculation, isn't 5/6 also equals to 10/12? That is a horrible looking 10. No, that is not 16, that is a 10. Okay, so if 5/6 equals to 10/12, three-quarter actually is 9/12. Am I right? You see that part? 9/12. Now, technically, if I take 10/12 and minus 9/12, isn't that what $36 is represented by? So if I do 10/12 minus 9/12, that equals to $36. Right? So if 1 unit equals to $36, 10 units is equals to $360 is what 5/6 is represented by. Now on the other side, you got 1/6. The question becomes what she had at first. So if 5 units equals to 360, 1 unit is equals to 72, right? $72. That's what 1 unit is equals to. So what is the total amount of money she had in the beginning? $360. $360 plus $72, and this is equals to what? 432. Do the simple arithmetic and you got that. Okay, I didn't want to go through too much with you because I want you to be able to figure this out. So just as long as you watch the video, I think you should be able to figure it out. The key here is one thing. The key here is what fraction represents $36. You find that, you find the answer. Okay, you have a good one, and have a good evening or a good morning wherever you are.